In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Google Sheets. We're going to embed a live Google Sheet directly inside ClickUp so your team can view and reference it without leaving your workspace. This is great for dashboards, trackers, and reports that update in real time. First, open ClickUp and head to the workspace and space where you want this integration to live. Make sure you're in the right space for the team that needs access. Permissions matter here, so you'll want edit access in that space to add a new view. Next, look to the top area of your space for the Views section. This is the bar where you typically see options like List, Board, or Calendar. Open the Views options in that space. This is where ClickUp lets you add specialized views that sit alongside your tasks. Keeping this integration inside the right space ensures everyone sees the same single source of truth. Now, scroll through the available view types and select Google Sheets. Depending on your layout, you might see it listed directly, or you can search within the view types to find it quickly. Choosing Google Sheets tells ClickUp you want to display a sheet right in the interface, which is ideal when you want visibility without switching tabs. When prompted, paste your Google Sheets link or provide the embed HTML. If you're using a link, make sure the sharing setting in Google Sheets is set so people in your organization, or anyone with a link, if appropriate, can at least view it. Without that visibility, the sheet won't render in ClickUp. If you prefer using HTML, use the publish or embed code from Google Sheets. This often loads faster and gives you a consistent read-only view. Be mindful not to expose any sensitive information when adjusting, sharing, or publishing settings. After you paste the link or HTML, give your view a clear name, like Team Metrics or Content Calendar, so teammates instantly know what they're opening. Confirm to add the view, and ClickUp will display the sheet inside your space. That's it. You've connected Google Sheets to ClickUp by embedding the sheet as a view. From here, you can resize the view, reorder it among your other views, and return to it anytime for live data. If the sheet doesn't load, double-check the sharing settings on the Google Sheet and refresh ClickUp. And if you ever update the source sheet, your ClickUp view reflects those changes automatically. Thanks for watching. Now you can keep your planning and your data in one place, saving clicks and keeping your team aligned.